Hey, TechKnowSurge, and when I say studs, I mean both students, and you are awesome. Thanks for watching these videos. In this module, we're going to take a look at Wireshark basics. We're going to go over just the basics of what you need to know to get up and running with Wireshark so we can start analyzing traffic. We're going to kick this module off by talking about what Wireshark is and how we can capture and analyze network traffic. Of course, we have to have an understanding of what network traffic really is, and so we'll go over that as well. Then we'll get into the OSI model layers and Wireshark, because it is kind of critical to understand at least some basics around the OSI model layers to really understand what Wireshark is presenting to us. Then we're going to get into downloading and installing Wireshark. We'll get into some basic navigation when it comes to Wireshark. We'll get into sorting and filtering, and then we'll wrap things up talking about some other basic functions that I like to use when working with Wireshark.